So yeah, this is it, all 3D printed and designed and soldered and coded by me. But it is an aqua controller designed to monitor my fish tank, which you all know I love. Got some button caps on there, up and down, okay and back. They're just literally little caps that are glued onto the main buttons. It's not a massive device, but it's got quite a few features. If you just turn it on, it boots up, initialising the Wi-Fi. That's what it's doing there. So it hasn't got the time yet because it's trying to connect to the Wi-Fi I've set on there. Tells you the current temperature. It's got a temperature probe, which will literally just be in the fish tank. The mode there is disabled at the minute, but that will tell you if it's on cooling or heating. But I've disabled it for now. But it will automatically put the heating on or put the cooling on based on the temperature. If you go in the menu, you can you've got all these different options. There's been more when I've finished coding them all, but this lets you turn things on and off. So you can just turn the cooling off, on, off, whatever you want to do. Heating. That can be automatic as well. Just depends on what you want to do, but that actually sends a signal wirelessly to another device that controls all the devices plugged into it. So you can have this just anywhere you want without having a big bulk alerts. So if it's too hot or too cold, it will tell you it's overheating or anything else. The settings via Wi-Fi, when you select that, you host its own Wi-Fi network, and you just connect to that, put your Wi-Fi details in and anything else you need to set up, and it'll reset and then connect to your home Wi-Fi. But you've got the settings there. You've got temperature control as well, which is quite simple really, but you set the target temperature. You have a variant 2 degrees where you can set whatever you want. You just press the direction up or down and the OK button, and it'll scroll up or down. And yeah, I've set it for 2 degrees, so it can be 2 degrees over, 2 degrees under, and then any more than that, which is the alert, that's when it's going to start beeping, and it'll come up on the screen that it's whatever's wrong with it really. And then it's got the IP address there because it hosts its own web page. So if you go to any other device and you put that address in, then you'll get the website come up. We're still working on this. These will eventually, these parts here, that'll be buttons so you can turn them on and off from this page. Tells you the temperature already, or the current temperature today. And then if you leave it on long enough, this whole graph will be populated. 24 hours, and then 48 hours, and then an average temperature there, which is obviously minus because it hasn't got any reading yet. But yeah, that's it really. It's only a small little device, but it took me long enough. All the code, all the design, all the soldering. It's been pretty fun though. There's a little seam there because I had to print it in 2 halves. Still got a few more things to put on there. Some old menus that need doing still. But yeah, I mean, I'll try this one. So that now will host its own Wi-Fi network. Hotspot really. You just connect to that and connect to that, and when you can go. If you connect to the Aqaurium controller, SSID is no password. You navigate to that on any other device, and it'll bring up the options to put in your home network details and everything else. And you can set device names and everything all from there. But yeah, that's it. Now it's going to restart now because it hosted a network.